step is to find slope. So I know you guys can find slope. So I went ahead and found it. It was 2 because you just take your points, which you guys know is 4, 9 and negative 4, 7. Plug them into the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Come up with negative 2, or positive 2, sorry, because a negative divided by a negative is a positive. So slope is 2. Second step is to choose a point. Again, doesn't matter which point you choose, you're going to come up with the exact same thing. I tend to choose to do the positive. Again, it doesn't matter. Okay? Third step is to find b, so plug in what you know. All right? So, using the first point, it'll be 9 equals 2 times 4 plus b. Solve for b. 9 equals 8 plus b minus 8 from both sides. B equals 1. Plug it in, but remember this time we're in function form, so we need to write out our equation in function form. So we have 4 is plug in, so it's going to be f of x equals 2x plus 1. Again, if I were to use negative 4, negative 7, I would do the exact same thing, except I'll be using these numbers. So negative 7 equals 2 times negative 4 plus b. Negative 7 equals negative 8 plus b. Add 8 to both sides. B equals 1 again. Plug it in. F of x equals 2x plus 1. All right, let's go ahead and do the word problems with this one. So go ahead and pause the video and see if you guys can work out the other one by yourselves, which I think you guys can. I know you guys can. All right. Assuming that you guys did that, you would have came up with negative 2x plus 6. Again, if you're given the point in function format, then you need to write it out in function format. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know. I came up with the slope as negative 2. Again, I did both points so that if you chose negative 2, 10, or if you chose 4, negative 2, you can see the work on both. Do you have to do both points on your homework? No. For the extra credit, no. You just have to do one. Questions? Because if you have questions, email me, let me know. Okay, let's take a look at the word problems. There's only 2 word problems, and we're going to go ahead and do this one and then take a look at the other one. Okay, so the first one, we need our slope, right? So we've got to have our slope. So we have a gym membership. Your gym membership costs $33 per month. After initial fee, you paid $228 after 6 months. Write an equation that gives the total cost as a function of the length of your gym membership in months. Find the total cost after 9 months. What does that per month mean? It means that the $33, it's every single month my amount that I'm paying is going up by $33. So $33 is my rate of change. If $33 is my rate of change, then it's also my slope. So I have this really easy right now. I don't have to find slope. It's given to us. So what is my point? Because we also have to have a point when we're trying to find the equation. What is my point? Now, a lot of you guys are going to say it's $228.06. But what am I putting into this? Am I putting in 6 months, or am I putting in $228? I'm putting in 6 months. Time to give you guys like an ultimate like hint, time is always X. So this is why this is wrong. Okay? Your order pair is going to be 6,228 because time is always the input. Okay? Time is always the input. That is like the biggest hint I can ever give you guys. All right? So, if I'm given this and I'm given this, then it really comes down to just plugging it into the equation. And then I can find that initial fee. Because that's our ultimate goal, is to find that initial membership fee. If I'm trying to find the initial membership fee, then it's really asking me to find B. All right? So 3, find B. And we do that just by plugging it in using y equals mx plus b. So 228 equals 33 times 6 plus b. So 228 equals 198 plus b minus 198. B equals 30. So what's my equation? Because step 4 is plug in y equals $33 x plus 30. So my initial membership fee is going to cost me $30, and then every single month it's going to cost me $33 to go to the gym. But we haven't answered all the questions yet, because there's another question in here. It says, find the total cost after 9 months. So what am I going to do after 9 months? I'm going to plug in 9 for x. Good. So y equals 33 times 9 plus 30. So y equals $327. Oh, whoops. 33 times 9, 27. Yep. 27 plus 2 is what? 27 plus 2 is 29. Plus 30 is $327. Okay. The next one, you are given 2 order pairs. So I want you guys to try to figure out the order pairs on your own and try to work out the one problem on your own and go from there. All right, so pause the video and go from there. All right, so some of you guys probably realize that, hey, we're putting in 5 races and $125, then 8 races, $170. Okay, find the slope, choose a point, and then got your equation. So what was the membership fee? $50. And what was the cost per race? $15, because $15 is the cost per race is going to be your slope. I hope you guys found these videos to be informational and 5.2 to be not too bad. Have a great day.